am Simone C. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. Today, y'all, we have an exciting video. Today is all about this gorgeous makeup look that I created for you all using the newly released Juvia's Place Garden by Juvia's palette, you all. Yes, this just recently dropped and you all know that I had to get my hands on it. Here is the gorgeous palette, screaming spring and summer vibes, you all. Yes. Just look at these gorgeous colors, you all. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Also in this garden collection drop, they dropped lip glosses and colored liners, you all. Super excited. So if you all are interested to see how I got this gorgeous makeup look today, please stay tuned and keep on watching. But first, a quick word from our sponsor, Rose Forever. Rose Forever is a company based in New York, born in 2019, making luxurious rose boxes, 100% natural fresh roses, including roses from Ecuador, known for being one of the best quality in the world, lasting well over a year. And the crystal box, such as the one that I have today, also carries a drawer for keeping jewelry in it. A beautiful display. The bouquets are handcrafted by professional rose artisans. They only use natural oils to preserve their roses, no chemicals whatsoever. Their roses come in round, square, and even heart-shaped boxes in many sizes from 9 to 49 roses per box. All roses are covered in a material of vegan suede and velvet, and all their flowers are allergen-free. Not only do they make the perfect gift to your loved ones, but they also make the perfect gift to your home, such as a centerpiece or even displayed on your beauty vanity area, as I have for you all here today. Please be sure to use my code SimoneC25 to save $25 on your entire order. Rose Forever is hosting their final sale of the summer today, Parents' Day, Sunday, July 24th, where you can save up to an additional 60% off your order. So please be sure to check them out. I would love to thank Rose Forever so much for sending me these gorgeous roses and for collaborating with me in today's video, you all. So, as I said in the intro, I picked up a whole bunch of new goodies, specifically from Juvia's Place, their new Garden of Juvia's collection, which includes their eyeshadow palette. Here's how those gorgeous shades are looking, and a bunch of their new colored eyeliners, and 2 of their new lip glosses, all a part of the Garden collection. Alright, you all, so I already went in, I did my eyebrows with the Juvia's Place eyebrow pencil in the shade Ebony and Dark Brown. And then on my eyelids, I have eye primer in the color 1, shade 1, Juvia's Place also. And now let's get into this gorgeous palette. I definitely want to play with the purple, so I'm just going to go right in, you all, to this shade down here called Sweet Lilac. And if you all do not know, lilac and lavender is my favorite color. Yes, yes, yes. To ensure we have no creasing whatsoever, I'm just going to go back in one more time and blend out the primer. And I'm just packing that gorgeous lilac shade right into the crease. And I'm also going to do it here on the outer V. I'm just building that color and packing it on, you all, literally just like tapping motions, not too much blending as of yet, because I want the color to stay in place. So let's blend this out now that both eyes are nice and packed on. A few years ago, I picked up this switching eyeshadow pan by Ulta Beauty. So in case you don't have time to wash every single brush and you need to change your color, you can just go right in and swirl this bad boy around and switch out the colors. I have no idea what kind of look I'm going for, you all, today. I am just playing, okay? We're just playing in makeup. So now I'm going to go into the yellow shade, and I think I'm going to try to add that in the crease a little bit. And the name of that yellow shade is Marigold. So I'm going to start by trying to add a little bit in the crease. And then actually I'm going to drag it down onto the lid as well. in the center, kind of like a halo effect. So going back into Marigold. And now I'm gonna take sweeping motions and blend that all in. Okay, so I went back into the corners of my eyes with a little bit more of the primer just to make sure that the eyeshadow pops a little bit. So I'm gonna go into the purple shimmer called Blooming. And I'm lightly packing it on like so. And then going back in with a little bit of Marigold, I am going to kind of merge the two together, just like so. Back into Blooming for the next eye. And back into Marigold between the two. So look what we have so far. So pretty, right? So in love. Going back in with Sweet Lilac, and we're gonna pack that on the outer edge. Also from their new Garden collection, I picked up 4 colored eyeliners. A white one, pink, lavender, and like a green lime color. So I think I want to cut my crease a little bit with the white eyeliner. You all, I'm so nervous. So here's how it's looking. Super cute, the packaging. Again, the shade White Lotus. I know it's probably hard to see. So I usually cut my crease with, you know, glitter. Not really like a matte liner, so I am a little bit nervous, but we're just gonna go for it. Go hard or go home. And I'm hoping that you all can see what I'm doing, but I want to cut the middle. Just like that, just the smallest line. And I want to keep my eyes closed and like fan it dry because I don't want to open my lid and the folds, you know, of my eyelid mess it up. So bear in mind that our eyes are sisters, you all, not twins, okay? It will be so hard to get them exactly the same. So I'm gonna go ahead, put on my eyeliner, lashes, the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back, you all. Alright, you all, so we are back. Here is the final look. Of course, we just need to add our lip now to complete everything. But here is the eyes with the entire beaten face. What do you all think? I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I really think that the entire look came together oh so well, you all. I'm very, very pleased today. Yes. So taking a random brown lip liner from the Beauty Supply Place. This is by the Absolute brand in Coffee Bean. Then taking a Juvia's Place lipstick. It is a matte nude shade in Mademoiselle. I always love to base my lips in like some type of matte shade before I go directly into gloss. And then a part of their Garden collection, they did drop 2 new lip glosses. One in the shade Pink Bay and one in the shade Flower Girl. It's like a blue color. So because my eyes is giving off like a purple, I think that the bluish will look better with these hues, you know what I mean, as a topper. Take the plastic off. So this is what Flower Bay looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the blue cotton candy kind of iridescent colors. Ooh, these smell so good. This smells like cotton candy, you all. Literally smells so good. Wow. Nice and juicy on the lips, you all. I'm very pleased with this lip gloss. Wow. gorgeous. So you remember the other 4 liners besides the white one that I added in my cut crease? I was thinking, so tempted to go ahead and add like the lilac liner on top of the black, but you know, just decide to leave it as it is before I mess up you all, because that would just be a disaster, okay? And overall, I do like how the look is just as it is, okay? And I do feel like the nude lip now brings everything together. I'm loving this garden collection, you all. So let's go over the palette. It is the Garden of Juvias. In the back it reads, richly pigmented shades in eye-catching hues, perfect for day to nighttime fun looks. Absolutely gorgeous. It is a 16 pan eyeshadow palette. 7 of the shades are matte and the rest are all shimmers and glitters, you all. So pretty. I do feel like the colors in this palette is perfect for spring and summer. I do wish they would have dropped this a little bit earlier, because when you think of gardens, you think of, you know, flowers blooming. So, you know, I guess the time is also a good release either way. The entire collection is fun and full of pastels, so I'm very happy and excited to have it now a part of my makeup collection as well. I don't own too many pastel palettes, to be honest with you. Just, I would say multi-purpose, but a lot of browns and neutrals. That's mostly what I own. That's mostly what I go for with my eye looks. So I'm excited to play with different colors now in the near future, and to bring you all different looks as well. So I did pick up my palettes and all the other garden products at my local Ulta. The palette does run for $25, very affordable. As we all know, Juvia's place is very affordable. They are in like the type of like drugstore range. Their Reflect glosses runs for $14, and their colored eyeliners run for $15 each. So not bad, you all. Super affordable for every piece in this collection. So yes, y'all, that completes today's makeup look of the Juvia's Place Garden by Juvias collection. Let me know what you all think of this look that I created for you all today. If you all own this palette, if you will be picking it up, or any of the other items dropped in the collection. I'll be sure to link everything down below, as well as all the other products that I used to complete today's beat. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.